47 to 59 Chevy and GMC trucks came with a single reservoir master cylinder. What that means is that if you get a leak anywhere in your line, you don't have any brakes at all. What you want to do is get a dual master cylinder. That's going to give us 2 chambers so that if we get a leak in the front, we'll still have rear brakes and vice versa. Now here we're looking at the 55 to 59 brake master cylinder booster setup. Your 47 to 54 is basically about the same, looks a little bit different, same principle. You get all your bracketry to bolt up to original holes. You get your booster, your master cylinder, you get all your brake lines bent up, your bracket, and your proportioning valve right here. So if you're just kind of be going original, this is a nice, easy way to go and really increase your stopping power and your safety. But let's say, for instance, you're putting in a big engine. Let's say, for instance, you're doing a manual transmission. You got a large exhaust down there, something like that, and there just isn't room for this. Or let's say, for instance, you just want to have it more accessible to yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount it on the firewall. Now here, the problem is, in the past, when people would try this out, is that they'd have to be drilling holes everywhere and trying to get their mathematics figured out, and then they'd have to beef up the firewall because the firewall is just a thin piece of metal. It's not made for all that pressure. What we've done here for you is figured out all of that stuff. All your measurements, your mathematics, all that kind of stuff is all set up for you. This bracket right here, this is going to take care of all the beef and pressure that you're going to be dealing out with that master cylinder, pushing it down 100 million times. You got a small booster on this so that you still got clearance for any engine you're going to be putting in there. You've got your bracketry, your proportioning valve, your line's already bent up for you. So here, all the mathematics, all the figuring's been done for you. You're going to be able to put it on your master cylinder in your firewall. You'll be able to get to it a lot easier. You'll have more clearance down underneath. So either system you want to go with, we got you covered. Don't worry about it. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm doing these every single week so I can get your truck back on the road.